We are going to see how to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. So once you are in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then tap the three dots icon on the top right and go to settings. And here go to account. And here, as you can see, there is no option of deleting. There is option of deleting, but no option of deactivating. So let's see how we can deactivate our WhatsApp. So deactivate your account, you can go to settings and then go to account and then delete my account in the WhatsApp app. There is no permanent deletion because deactivating your account doesn't permanently delete your data. You can reactivate by logging back in with your phone. So if you don't log back in within a certain period, usually that is 30 days, your account may be permanently deleted. So it means here, once you are in this account layout, once you tap on delete account, here once you just give your phone number and your password, so there will be a 30 days of backup for you. If you log back in within 30 days, your account won't be deleted and it would be remained deactivated. But if you don't log back in within 30 days, your account may be deleted permanently. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.